Now, diagnosing the lock doesn't work. No, you do it. Come on, you do it.
That wire is between the switch and the motor.
Now, right now, hold on. Right now, see, look, nothing happened. We got 0 volts, right? He's going.
Grab
and right now, we on the white.
Ultimate.
Oh shit, we on the white and black wire, right?
Grab the tester.
And remember, this door lock is not working. Now he's gonna hit. Which way you gonna go?
This.
That's good to know.
Okay, I'm gonna hit right here. I'm gonna hit.
Unlock.
I'm gonna hit unlock, right?
12 point something.
12.
12 volts. I hit. That's going.
At the click, it shows 12.
Yeah.
Right at the click.
Right, so it's going to the motor, right? This is going to the motor. Now, that's the lock. Now we're gonna go to unlock. That's just unlock. I'm going to a lock position now, right? So right now, so look.
Yeah,
See?
nice.
Right? That's the other wire. Oops, that's this wire. Now, guess what? We still need a ground,
Yes.
right? Now, what he did was,
The ground is this one. He
black
measures.
one?
no, the ground is the same wires.
Same wires.
It's the same wires. They bi-direction. They go back and forth.
Okay, so they go.
They go back and forth, right? Yeah. So watch.
How do they do that?
So,
Those
all
are
right.
crazy.
In a lock position, one's gonna be power, and unlocking position, other's gonna be ground. All right. It's going back and forth. Right. Now, watch. Oh, let me show you real quick. Go to this wire. Go here. Go here. Touch that. Yeah. Watch this. Oh, which position I'm going here? What I'm doing? I'm gonna unlock it, right? Oops, that's gone.
Oh, that was the
Unlock.
ground side. It was
I'm
point
look,
something.
watch. Right? I just locked it, right? So it's power on this wire. Hold on, don't move. Don't take this off. There's power on this wire, right? Now watch this. Put that on ground.
Ground.
No. Are you on power now or on ground?
Ground.
Turn around.
It's ground.
Okay, now put this on power. Down the power wire. Now he's on the power wire, right?
Yeah.
Right? Right?
Powers.
Yeah.
Power.
Yeah.
Power.
Yeah. Yeah. Now you're gonna see right now, look, it's already power. We didn't do nothing.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
already power. We didn't do anything yet, right? Now watch, hit the same, what was it, lock? This is what we hit last time, right? This one, right? Watch this, I'm gonna hit lock, I'm watching into that. I'm gonna hit this, lock, and watch.
Momentary out.
Yes. Got a good ground.
Yeah.
That same wire just switched. The same wire just switched over. We didn't change that, right?
Nope.
Right?
No.
We didn't change. You get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right? It's bi-directional, it's going back and forth.
Yeah, reverse back and
Yeah.
forth.
Yeah. You get it, Samuel?
But that's the relay might do that, right? That's
The computer doing it.
The computer.
The computer is doing it. The gym. Oh, we did that fast, y'all.
Yeah, and on the ground side, we got the 0.2 or whatever